So today on D-Range Woodshop, we're going to show y'all how to make pencils. Whoa! Here we go. What? So one log, some lead, I'll turn you into this. So number two, that daggone thing even comes with an eraser on it now. Huh? Huh?
It's time. D-Range time. Let's get to it.
Welcome to D-Range. Today we're going to find out how far you can go with a 9mm and still be deadly. We all know the hype with the 9mm, and let's just see. We know we're going to get it for 25, so let's get at it. So first on our list, we're going to go with the Savage stance. We're going to start out at about the 25-yard line. Of course, we know that 9mm should be good for 25 yards. We're going to be shooting, looks like Kel-tec 9mm Luger, 115 grain, full metal jacket. These are the bullets we're going to be shooting. So here we go. Y'all know what we forgot today? I just got reminded. Be right back. So, never forget two things. One, you don't want to hear phones ringing all your life. And two, never forget this is a safety and this is a safety. Alright, so let's see where we hit. The ring is so bad. I don't know that we even hit. Alright, so 9mm are not deadly at 25 yards. Huh. Oh, we hit low. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna try this shot. My boy D's out there today representing. Let's go see what we do. So now we're going to move back to 50 yards. All right, so now we're going to do a 50-yard shot. See if I can hit it. All right, let's see what we did. All right, we're going to try this 50-yard shot again. All right, let's try this 100-yard shot with our pistol. And if the pistol don't get it, we got something that will. All right, here we go. 100 yards, 9mm pistol. Take one. Let's see what we did. And the longer your barrel is on your 9mm, the possible greater distance you can go. Possible. But let's try it again. 100 yards. if I hit it now. If not, we're gonna change. Go another 9. So with this gun, I probably don't want to be in a shootout at 100 yards with this gun with me. Now some of y'all may be able to do it, but evidently I can't. And I'm not sure the sights are 100% on this gun, but you never know. But I got something. So like I said before, the longer your barrel, maybe the better shot you got. So I introduced the Kel-tec Sub 2000 9mm. Now, I should have better results with this. However, I don't know that it's 100% sighted in or not. So, oh, I can't show that, my bad. I can't show this on. Yeah, I can't show that, so y'all. I'll see. Anyhow, so let's see what this does at 100 yards. It's 2 rounds because the first one I heard it hit the steel target back there. So let's go see. Alright, so that hit, you saw where it hit. We're with the Kel-tec Sub 2000 at 150 yards. What do y'all think? Think we're gonna hit it? I think we are. I think this gun's pretty bad. Here we go. So the first one, wherever it was, it hit steel because I heard it. Y'all should have heard it, so stand by. It's a long walk, boys, ladies and gentlemen. Shoot. So if you can't tell, you look at the range behind me. All right, this is a driveway. And I can shoot a good 600-yard shot if I wanted to, if I had a gun to, whatever the case may be. But let's see what we got here. I'm going all the way back there, 200 yards for the target. I shot 3 because I'm 200 yards away, so I want to make sure I get it. So, comment down below if you think I can hit D's vest. D's got a brand new vest on today. Well, I say brand new, it's a used, but it's new to D range and new to D, so comment down below if you think I can hit it. That's a pretty long ass shot. Got it zoomed in a little better for y'all. Alright, that thing's back there. Here we go. I'm going for D's vest because there's a hump in the road here. right. Whew. So we are out. Whew. What are we out of? We out of time and money, baby. All right. Ain't that something? Got new holes back there in the range. But old D here. Old D here. So I hit high back there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which from where I was coming right over here. So I would say it's probably deadly. Unfortunately for D is, well, you know, D's got to take me. Let's try this vest out, D. Good Lord, I knocked the panel out of you. Huh. Y'all, that's hot. Good news is, this is used body armor. Okay, this was level 3A. I'm shooting a 9mm. If you look at this really close, 1, 2, 3. That's the 3 rounds I shot. Nothing came out. I'm sure D is bruised up some. Let's see what we can see. 1, 2, 3, same thing. But outside of that, it busted his chest. D2 busted his chest. That's it. That's all it busted. So, thank you for watching. Hope you learned something today. So 9mm, I think we had a 250 round shot, pretty much dead on. That's right here. Let me turn this camera that way a little bit where you can see it a little better. These are right here. These are the 250 rounds right here. So it's 25, 50, 100, 150. No, 25, 50, 100. Anyhow, the last shot we did, they're up there in the top of the range. And just so you know, and I know y'all hate hearing this, but the longer your barrel, more penetration you got. I mean, it sucks, but it's true. Old short barrel does an alright job. When that longer barrel comes in, it takes care of business. So, if you want to sling some hot lead, if you want to see how far and how deadly a 9mm can go, well, I'm telling you, I think it's 250, 300 rounds. Now, you probably can go more. You buy a high dollar gun, you spend a fortune on it, but on an average gun, if it's a rifle, I'm guaranteed you can get 300 yards out of it. If it's a pistol, I mean, you can be squeezing it at 100. You could probably hit at 100. You probably still kill at 100. It's not going to be that accurate, especially your targets get small and things like that. But you got to try. The more you practice, the more you know. So in the meantime, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to go to drange411.com and get your merchandise. Now, if there's some merchandise up there that you want, order it. If there's some up there you don't want, don't order it. If there's something you'd like to see, hit me up. That's at drange411@gmail.com. In the meantime, we got a bunch of stuff coming. I know it's been a while since I've had a video. There's a lot more going to be coming out. I've got some ideas. I'm hoping right now it's hot. I'm hoping it cools back off so I can get a couple videos in for you. If not, We may have to try it hot, but it's going to get dangerous. So either way, until the next time, peace. It's the hard thing about filming yourself. Got so much crap to carry around. Oh. Got too much crap to carry around, got crap everywhere. Mess in your pockets. If you shoot a fire ant hill with hot lead, you won't do anything to them. Just letting you know. Whew.